Hello there! In this video we are going to practice hearing musical intervals again. And today we will focus only on the minor and major sixths. That's a really difficult word for me to pronounce because I don't know if you heard, but I am not an English person. I am from the Netherlands, and the sixth, that is hard for me. Anyway, I'm still gonna do it though, but please forgive me if it sounds ridiculous. Okay, let's continue. I can totally understand that training all of the intervals at once can feel a bit overwhelming. So let's just focus on these two first. That way your ears and mind can really get used to the difference between them. And training your musical ear is really important. It helps you sing in tune, recognize melodies more easily, and become a more confident musician overall. So the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Okay. Well, first I am going to let you listen to the minor and the major sixths. So, this one is the minor sixth. And it sounds a bit spooky. It's not really dissonant, but it's not the average interval. This is the major sixth. And for this one, I have a little trick because this is the beginning of the song Brazil, la 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 la. So, if you are not sure, just try to sing the chorus of Brazil. Okay, now that you have heard these two different intervals, we are going to begin the training. So, let's begin. The first one I'm gonna play is this. That is a major sixth. That's also a major sixth. That's a minor sixth. That's the major sixth. Just to let you hear the difference. So, minor, major. Okay, the next one. That's a minor sixth. A major sixth. A minor sixth. And the last one. That's a major sixth. Okay, I'm going to play them a bit faster now, so you can just, try to train your ears even faster. Here we go. Minor sixth. Major sixth. All right, that was it for today. I hope that it went well and that you heard the difference between the minor and the major sixth. And I wish you lots of fun with practicing those ears. And remember, if you practice this a lot, you will get better. Trust me. Okay. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Ba 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 ba, fade out, fade out.